In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing them in the background. When you finished, decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then select split screen and click on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!